So, I will try to have this testimony with regards to me. Last September 7, I was diagnosed with having the mild stroke. And my sugar is 350. And I couldn't move as if I'm going to die anytime. But somebody, with the help of my friend, Edna Colette, I mentioned your name because you're the one. And now I can walk properly without any help from another person, especially my husband. It's a burden for him to let me walk because every day he is holding my hand just to walk. But this time, since I drank all this, my health was restored and I'm now very vigorous, and now I can say that through this, by the help of God, I am now a good well-being, and I can testify that my life, I owe it to God first and then this product.
So, paano tita, nakakalakad na po kayo?
I am walking now very briskly.
Kayo ka nga tita, pakita natin sa kanila. Wow!
As if ito
Beautiful
ang
and
bagong
pretty.
katawan.
Yes.
Through this, it's easy for me to loosen my weight, and
Wow.
now I can dance.
Yes.
Like this. Zumba.
Yes.
Like this now. So, buy it and you will never regret the result of this product.
Thank you tita!
Dolly.
Dali.